Thank you for joining us today. Let's get started with the tutorial. Company-based email notifications with Excel VBA with attachments. Welcome to today's tutorial on streamlining company-based email notifications using Excel VBA. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to simplify your email communication by categorizing files from different companies, summarizing the data, and sending customized emails effortlessly. Picture this: you have a folder filled with files from various companies, and you need to notify each company separately. This manual process can be a daunting task. However, Excel VBA is here to save the day. Let's kick things off first. We'll need to select the folder that contains the files you want to process. Excel VBA will scan this folder and gather the necessary data. Once the folder is selected, Excel VBA will meticulously categorize the files based on the respective companies they belong to. This step is crucial for accurate processing. With the files categorized, Excel VBA will generate a summary report. This report will provide an overview of each company's files, including attachment counts. Now, for the grand final. Excel VBA will automatically create customized emails for each company. You can tailor these emails with specific content, recipients, and, of course, attachments. Once everything is in order, Excel VBA will send out the emails. Each company will receive its personalized notification, complete with the relevant attachments. Automation at its finest. To summarize, this Excel VBA solution offers 3 essential buttons in Sheet 1. The Select Folder button allows you to choose the folder containing your files. The Summary button generates a detailed report summarizing the files by company and their attachment counts. The Send Email button initiates the email sending process, organizing files by company and including all necessary attachments. Conclusion: by streamlining company-based email notifications with Excel VBA, you not only save valuable time but also ensure precise communication. Now, let's dive into the tutorial and harness the power of automation. Feel free to use this script as a guide for your work, incorporating clear explanations and demonstrations of the Excel VBA functionality for selecting folders, summarizing data, and sending customized emails by company. Sheet 2: Company Information. Sheet 2 will store company-specific information and details required for sending emails. Here's what you can include. Company code, a unique identifier for each company. Company name, the name of the company. Email address, the primary email address for sending emails to this company. Carbon copy, address. If there are additional email addresses that should receive copies of the email, you can store them here. Email subject, the subject line for emails to this company. Email message, the body of the email that will be sent to this company. In the details sheet of this Excel workbook, you'll find a comprehensive record of all email actions taken, providing valuable insights into your communication history. This sheet serves as a centralized hub for tracking the emails you've sent, making it an essential tool for maintaining organized and efficient correspondence. Each row in the details sheet represents a unique email action, and you can easily identify the order of these actions using the SIN serial number column, which assigns a distinct number to each email sent. The SIN column allows for easy reference and tracking of email sequences, ensuring you can keep tabs on your communication history effortlessly. The adjacent columns hold crucial information about each email action, including the recipient's email address under email to any carbon copy, recipients in the email column, the subject line of the email in email subject, and the email's body content within the email body column. These details provide a comprehensive overview of the email's content and recipients, enabling quick identification and reference. Whether you're interested in reviewing specific email actions, checking recipient lists, or revisiting email content, the Details sheet offers an organized and easily accessible repository for all your email activities. This streamlined approach to email tracking enhances your ability to maintain clear and effective communication within your workplace.